Hello everyone, so here we have two questions. So first we'll be solving the first question that says using the property of determinants we need to show that triangle ABC is isosceles if this determinant is equals to 0. So for this question we need to remember all the properties of determinants. So let's see how we can solve this question. First of all, we'll be using this property of determinant to solve. We'll be applying this property on the column 2 and column 3. After applying the property, we'll get this determinant. Now, taking the cos B minus cos A, this, and cos C minus cos A common from the both these columns, that is second and third. So after taking these things common, we'll get, so now we'll be expanding the determinant along the row 1. So after expanding, we can clearly observe from this pattern that cos A is equals to cos B is equals to cos C is equals to cos A. That means the two sides of the triangle are same, so we can say that it is an isosceles triangle. So here comes the second questions, which says that a shopkeeper has three varieties of pen A, B, C. Meenu purchased one pen of each variety for a total of rupees 21. Jeevan purchased 4 pens of A variety, 3 pens of B variety and 2 pens of C variety for rupees 60, while Shikha purchased 6 pens of A, 2 pens of B and 3 pens of C of 70 rupees. Now we need to use the matrix method to find the cost of each variety. When we use the matrix method, we first create equations so that we can solve it easily with the help of a matrix. Let's the variety of pen X, A will be X, B will be Y, C will be Z. Let's see how we can solve it. Meenu, our equation would be X plus Y plus Z is equal to 21 and other two would be this. Now, how we can write this in a matrix form? We know that A dot X is equals to B. That is, A matrix consists of all the variety of numbers of all the variety of pens into X is nothing but X, Y, Z or the variables, and B is the result that gives the constant basically. First we need to calculate the determinant of A. After calculating the determinant, we'll get minus 5. So here we can see that how can we find the cofactor of matrix A. We'll find all the cofactor matrix of 3 by 3 matrix. Then we know A inverse is nothing but 1 by A determinant into adjacent of A. So we have calculated the determinant, that is minus 5, the unit vector basically. So we'll solve this using the matrix equation X is equals to A minus, that is A inverse into B, and from this we can easily get the answer to our question, that is X, Y and Z.